morning from my accommodation. This morning we all head towards the Inter-Islander ferry and then, fingers crossed, make our way over to South Island. That'll be my first time ever driving down there. I only went down there many years ago and I flew into Christchurch and that was it. So this will be pretty cool to start seeing more of the south at my own pace. So yeah, we'll wake up and then we'll figure out a plan. Checking some oils and stuff before we hit the road today. What a calm morning. So still. Hear the birds. And it is Sunday the 16th. Just climbing up the Rumataka Hills on our way over to Wellington. And pretty quiet today being a Sunday, which is awesome. Get to look at these amazing views. What a road. Wish I had an awesome sticking to the road car. It would be quite a fun drive. Here we are, we're just lining up to board the Inter-Islander, lane 12. Jordan's in front of me. And then we wait.
Look at that coffee car right in front.
There you go. And then we just wait for the boat and then we are off to the South Island. So that ship right there, the Kaihari, we're about to board that in a second and then head off to the South Island. So that's pretty awesome. Gonna drive in the front of it. There you go, mate.
Thank you.
Good. Here we are. We're driving in to the Inter-Islander. This is pretty awesome. Put the old car on the top. Ticky bloody car. And that is us. We are on the Inter-Islander. Let's go. Jordan's got his snacks. So we're finally boarded on our way to South Island. So we just made our way over to Picton. I've never done a ferry crossing before, obviously, but that was like calm water the whole way, even out in the rough ocean, but calm. So stoked with that. I didn't really want to eat because I wasn't sure, but could have had a full course meal with that, how calm it was out there. So we're just waiting for everyone to get in their vehicles, and then we'll be into Picton, and this will be all new to me, so surely get lost. But yeah, good ferry crossing. So see how we go. I'll turn the GoPro on to get it coming out of the boat, whichever way. I think it comes out of the back this time. We went in the front of it before, so yeah. Right, let's get off the boat and then head into Picton.
Fuck, I really heard something rattling in my cat.
That's alright, it'll stay in there.
It's only a noise, I guess.
Here we go. Off the boat, and we are on Picton soil. Concrete.
We're in the South Island.
Here we go. He said it for you. Let's go see what it's all about. So we're in Picton. It's very, very sunny. Haven't even hit like anything of the South Island. It's already amazing. Blue Bridge coming in. Our boat sitting over there that we just come off. Beautiful day. Hopefully it stays like this and we get to see as much as we can of the South Island. But awesome. 16th of February, putting it on. So we made it to Robin Hood Bay. Very, very dusty road. I pretty much had to hang back because I could not see. That's how much dust, how dry it is down here. And this is our bay that we've got. Beautiful. Amazing sort of rocks around here. So this one on my right, flat as. Cool.